I'll guide you through how to move your money from Wise to PayPal without losing your capital to heavy cross-border currency conversion fees or hitting instant bank link rejections. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Because Wise and PayPal do not share a native, direct transaction button inside their mobile software architectures, sending funds directly to a PayPal username handle or email address is impossible. To bridge them, you must route the assets through a linked card or bank account, ensuring the verified legal name on your Wise profile matches your PayPal registration data flawlessly before trying to connect them. If you attempt to bridge them with mismatched profile metadata, the automated anti-fraud security tracking filters will flag the transaction database as a high-risk threat, auto-decline the link layout, and trigger a temporary hold on your digital assets. To send money from Wise to PayPal instantly, open the PayPal app, navigate straight to the Wallet Hub, and select Link a debit or credit card. Open your Wise app, tap your card layout to view your digital or physical card details, and type your 16-digit Wise debit card number, expiration date, and CVV code directly into the secure PayPal billing fields. Once linked, go back to your main PayPal home screen, tap Add Money to your balance, choose your newly linked Wise card as the instant funding source, and enter the exact amount you want to pull into your wallet ledger. Alternatively, if you prefer using bank routing strings instead of a card, open your Wise app, select your target local currency balance like USD, and tap Account Details to copy your unique routing number and checking account number. Head over to your PayPal Wallet Hub, select Link a bank account, and paste those exact Wise checking strings into the database fields. Wait 1 to 2 business days for 2 tiny micro deposits to land in your Wise activity feed. Type those precise decimal amounts back into the PayPal confirmation layout to fully activate the bank link, and you can now use the PayPal Add Money interface to pull a standard, fee-free transfer straight from your Wise balance. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.